everyone, I'm Lori from Dee's, back with another great idea, this time for your mantle or as a centerpiece on a table. Check out this beautiful piece. This has the beautiful red berry balls in it. We just got them back in stock again. And this amazing pick with the eucalyptus and some greenery, your ribbons. It is so quick and easy to make. And you could just take your candle holders and tuck them right in. And this would make a beautiful arrangement, again, to put on your mantle or bookcase or table or anywhere you'd like. So let's get started. This is going to be really easy. So in your kit, you're going to receive your greenery piece as your base. 2 of these stems, and again, these stems are absolutely amazing. They have the eucalyptus, the mixed greenery, some sticks, berries. I just absolutely love these, and I love the coloring. You're also going to receive 2 of the berry balls, this extra little pick that matches this stem, and your ribbons and wire. So to get started, all we're going to do is go through like always and fluff up our greenery base and bring it to life. So, you never want to get rid of those old garlands that you're tired of because they make a great piece to use. You can cut up those garlands and use those as your base to attach things to, and they work so well. So don't get rid of those. Keep your eye out. Sometimes you can even pick some up. You can pick some up at the store or, Goodwill sometimes has where people have dropped some off. So just hang on to those. So we're going to start out with our beautiful mixed piece. I'm just going to trim that stem off a little bit. Now, we can use some glue or you don't have to on this part. But I'm just going to lay this in here and let my stem go right in here to the middle. And I'm going to use my greenery as my way to hold on to my stem. So I'm going to go in here and find my other little skinny greeneries. And we're basically just using those as ties to help hold our piece in. And you can see it's in there nice and stable. So we're going to take our second piece. Make sure you remove your tags off of your piece. And again, I'm going to trim this stem just a little bit. And again, we're going to fluff it up. That's always the important part. And we're going to go to the other side and tuck it in over there. So I'm just going to lay that in there. And you can bring this in or leave it as long as you want, depending upon your space. You just slide your branches in a little bit tighter if you want it to be a shorter arrangement. And again, I'm just taking my ties from my greenery and twisting those right around there to hold everything into place. And you can see nothing is going anywhere. So next, we are going to make our bow. So I'm going to start off with this beautiful plaid. I just love this. It has such pretty coloring to it. So again, we're going to make our tail, pinch and gather, make a loop, pinch and gather, make a loop, pinch and gather, loop, twist, pinch and gather. And then we're going to take this skinny. I always love to have mixed bows, and I love to use the narrower ribbon just to kind of break it up so that you can kind of see everything that's going on. I just think it makes it a little bit different, gives a little bit different depth to it. So we're just going to twist that off with our wire. Let me grab a piece of wire here real quick. And we're just going to cinch this off right in the middle. Pull it nice and tight. And then we're just going to wire this right to the middle of our arrangement. Pull that nice and tight so it doesn't come off. And I'm going to trim my wires. And then you can fluff up your bow, trim your tails. Now you want to keep your excess red because we're going to go through and attach that right behind here. You can just twist that right in there with your greenery so that we have some tails to feed through our garland. Trim these, put those nice pretty cuts in the end. Kind of catch this through here, fluff it up. That's the nice thing about wired ribbon. You can kind of bend it and curve it. Trim this tail and do the same thing again to this side. So we've got our beautiful ribbons all ready. Oops, forgot to trim these. Okay, so we have that all trimmed. So next we're going to take this berry stem. This matches what is running through these previous greenery stems. And I'm just going to cut this a little bit shorter. And I'm going to dip it in just a little bit of glue. And we're going to go in and put this right behind here. And that just gives you a little height for your piece. You can open that up and spread those berries out. And then next we're going to take our berry balls. These are just a styrofoam, really lightweight berry ball, but I absolutely love these. And apparently everyone else does too, because we have sold out of these and had to get these back in. So we're just going to take a little bit of glue and put that on the ball. Scrape that excess off. And I'm just going to go right in here and tuck that berry ball right down there. Now, I'm not a real symmetrical type person. This does look kind of symmetrical. But the next ball, I'm going to put in a little bit higher. Again, we're going to dip it. And then just come over here. And we're going to tuck it right up there. So they're kind of a little bit, kind of like a diagonal from each other. And there you have it. So quick and easy. This would make a beautiful addition to your holiday decorations. Make a beautiful gift. So remember, this is available at shopdeeslouisville.com. Stay tuned for more great ideas.